Hi everybody! Today I will show you how to make a mini self-driving bike with a motor. You will need some very simple parts: an aluminum wire, a thicker wire, a plastic bottle cap, 2 more plastic caps, a 9V battery, a 5V motor, a battery connector, and a small piece of plastic. Make holes in the center of each cap. The holes should be large enough for the wire to fit into them. Put some glue into one of the caps. Glue it to another cap. Glue the plastic piece to the motor shaft. Put some glue inside this cap and insert the motor here. Bend a wire like this. Glue this wire to the motor. Glue another end of the wire to the battery. Bend another wire like this. Insert it into the front wheel like this. Bend the wire to secure it inside the wheel. Bend it again here. Put glue on the battery like this. Attach the front wheel with the wire to the battery. Add some more glue here to reinforce this part. Bend a thicker wire like this. Attach the wire to the glued area. Connect these 2 wires from the battery connector with these 2 motor wires. Connect the red wire to the red wire, the black one to the black one. You don't need to solder the wires. Insulate the wires with electrical tape. Connect one terminal of the battery connector to the battery. Let's check how the bike works. Connect another terminal of the battery connector to the battery. I covered the rear wheel with more electrical tape to avoid slipping. It's much better now. Watch again. The mini self-driving bike is ready. It looks very nice and rides very quickly. If you enjoyed watching the video, click like and subscribe to my channel. There are lots of other interesting crafts. See you!